And here we are on the very last question, number 60. Let's see, it says, what is the cosine of pi over 12 given that pi over 12 equals the pi over 3 minus pi over 4? And that the cosine of alpha minus beta equals the cosine of alpha times the cosine of beta plus the sine of alpha times the sine of beta. So this question has us following directions step by step. So we want to find out the cosine of pi over 12. First of all, given that pi over 12 equals the pi over 3 minus pi over 4. So I'm going to rewrite that as cosine of pi over 3 minus pi over 4. Now the next piece of information, the cosine of alpha minus beta equals this. So I just need to match up each piece of this with the chart right here. So here we go. I'm gonna highlight, I think. If it's the cosine of alpha, the cosine of alpha, which alpha is the front one, pi over 3. The cosine of pi over 3 is a half, right there. Then, next color, cosine of beta, cosine of beta, which beta is beta is my, that's okay, my pi over 4. So the cosine of pi over 4 is this square root of 2 over 2. Then plus the sine of alpha, alpha is pi over 3, times the sine of beta, which sine of beta is pi over 4, right here. Okay, now I can get to writing again. Let's go purple for our cobras. So cosine alpha was my first one, the yellow. So 1/2 times cosine beta was my green, square root of 2 over 2, and then a big plus, sine of alpha, which was the square root of 3 over 2, square root of 3 over 2, and then my last piece, sine of beta was my pink, square root of 2 over 2. Over 2. Now I can multiply what's in front of the plus sign and what's behind the plus sign. And I get 1 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 2. Over 2 times 2 is 4, plus square root of 3 times square root of 2 is going to be the square root of 6, over 2 times 2, which is 4, And if I look at the answer choices, I can already see my answer. Stuff over 4, and it's square root of 6 plus the square root of 2 over 4. Found my match, and I am done. Question number 60 out of 60 for the ACT math practice. Done, diddy, done, done, done. Got it.